Part 14, back to sanding the floors. Something about watching this back and just like seeing the floors like be completely stripped is so satisfying to me. But anyways, I went back into the floors. They got sanded a total of 4 times. Once with 60 grit, 80 grit, 120 grit, and 150 grit. In between each sanding, like grit, I swept them up, got rid of all that dust, and then went back in with a new one. You'll see me here pretty soon like change out the sanding pad to a new one before I then went over and sanded it again. Oh, vacuumed up all that dust. Nice. Anyways, so I really liked the natural color of the floors after they were sanded and cleaned. I just really didn't want that yellowy orange color to come back. So I went to Lowe's, got some different stains to test out, got some polyurethane just to like see what we were kind of working with. Let that dry, mopped up the rest of the dust off the floors, and then we'll come back and see which stain was chosen. This process was so tedious, but so worth it in the end.